always knew there was something special about me. In 2025, my mom told me my real dad is Bill Hader.
I first met Caroline in an improv class. She was a little strange,
Industrial cleaning sound?
and honestly
yeah, but, like,
not
make
very
the
good.
sound with your voice.
Did somebody call Mama to come change their diaper? I heard it was full of magical things.
But when she told me about Bill, I knew I had to help her
you see
find
it?
him.
I mean, a little.
We have the same nose.
Yeah, and if you do that.
And come on, long lost daughter story? Sundance, here we come.
Oh, sorry. It's so weird being on camera. Hope this ain't a porno.
It's not. Why don't you tell us how you've been trying to get in contact with Bill?
Right. Well, recently I've been doing stand-up to try and connect with him on like a creative level. And honestly, I've been getting pretty good. So who knows? Maybe I'll open for him one day. So I was on an airplane recently and I sat next to a guy that was so big, he had to take up 2 seats. So I've been sending these letters out to every address I can find under Bill Hader, but no response yet.
Why aren't you just writing them?
What do you mean?
Like with a pen or pencil. I feel like the magazine cutout looks a little suspicious, don't you think?
Can you stop recording?
Yeah. Can you write? Do you know how to write? Absolutely nothing was working. I mean, she was nearing complete emotional breakdown.
Dad, he didn't mean to leave you. He loves you. You don't even want to hurt anybody. You don't want to hurt a fucking soul. You just want to be nice and loved, and your daddy's gonna love you, huh?
So when I saw that Bill's agent was hiring, I knew I had to throw out one last Hail Mary. Caroline, I got you an interview with Bill Hader's agent. He's looking for a new assistant.
No way.
You're gonna be able to tell your story.
How did you stream that?
Me and the HR guy, we grew up together. We had the same doctor.
Dr. Stevens, right?
Yeah, how did you know that?
Oh, he's the best adult circumciser in town. This is gonna be my first job interview.
Do you not have a job?
No.
How do you pay for living expenses?
That's what Maddie's credit card is for.
I told you, this was for production expenses only.
But I am a production
No,
expense.
stop talking. Why are you so weird? Noah said he saw you in the mirror earlier, talking to yourself like a serial killer? And how do you get into my medical records? Stay out of those.
Okay, stop.
Okay, does it look okay? Hireable?
Yeah.
All right, wish me luck.
Okay, go get him. Caroline's mom, it's Kim. Hi.
Hi, Matt.
Yes. Thank you for calling back. Yes, about the
Yeah,
interview.
look, I lied to Caroline.
Good morning. What's going on here?
With this?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just live streaming.
Okay, thank you. I don't think this is gonna be a good fit.
What? You don't even know me yet.
Her dad isn't Bill Hader. Her real dad is the Zodiac Killer.
I'm Bill Hader's daughter.
Fuck. You've been sending me these freak-ass letters?
You've been getting them! Oh my god, great! Look, we look the same. Same smile.
I didn't tell her the truth because she's low-key annoying as fuck.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe you should ask more questions.
You know who you look like? You look like the ape from Planet of the Apes.
What?
Yeah, you know, the one who can sort of talk?
Well, things have been going pretty well since she found out. All things considered.
I mean, who knew Bill Hader was the Zodiac killer? Bro does not age.